Have you ever wondered what lies hidden amidst the rugged beauty of the Rocky Mountains? Welcome to Boulder, Colorado, a city nestled at the foot of the breathtaking Flatirons, where adventure, culture, and natural wonders await at every turn. Today, we embark on an unforgettable journey to uncover the best of Boulder. From stunning outdoor experiences to vibrant cultural scenes and delectable cuisine, this city has it all. So let's dive right in and discover the hidden gems of Boulder, Colorado. 1. Chautauqua Park, Gateway to Adventure. Our adventure begins at Chautauqua Park, where the iconic Flatirons serve as a backdrop to the city. Have you ever hiked through a landscape so surreal it feels like another world? Chautauqua Park offers a network of trails for hikers of all levels, promising jaw-dropping views of Boulder and beyond. 2. Pearl Street Mall, a pedestrian paradise. Now let's stroll down to Pearl Street Mall. Have you ever explored a lively pedestrian mall brimming with shops, street performers, and a vibrant atmosphere? Pearl Street Mall is the heart of Boulder's downtown, offering a mix of local boutiques, international cuisine, and endless people-watching opportunities. 3. Eldorado Canyon State Park, rock climber's paradise. For our next adventure, we head to Eldorado Canyon State Park. Have you ever dreamed of scaling the sheer walls of a canyon? Eldorado Canyon is a rock climber's paradise with world-renowned routes, but even if you're not a climber, the park's stunning beauty is worth the visit. 4. Celestial Seasonings Tea Factory, sip the magic. Let's take a break and sip some magic at the Celestial Seasonings Tea Factory. Have you ever toured a tea factory where the aroma of fresh herbs and spices fills the air? This guided tour offers a fascinating look at the tea-making process and, of course, free samples of their famous blends. 5. Boulder Dushanbe Teahouse, an architectural marvel. From tea factory to tea house, we arrive at the Boulder Dushanbe Teahouse. Have you ever dined in an architectural marvel, handcrafted in Tajikistan and reassembled in Boulder? The tea house not only boasts intricate design, but also a menu that celebrates global flavors. 6. Fiske Planetarium. Touch the stars. Now let's reach for the stars at the Fiske Planetarium. Have you ever embarked on a cosmic journey through our universe? Fiske Planetarium offers awe-inspiring shows that transport you to galaxies far, far away. 7. Boulder Farmers Market. Taste of freshness. For a taste of local flavor, we head to the Boulder Farmers Market. Have you ever savored farm-fresh produce, artisanal cheeses, and homemade goodies while soaking up the vibrant atmosphere of a farmer's market? Boulder's Market is a food lover's paradise. 8. Boulder Museum of Contemporary Art, Art in Motion. Our cultural exploration takes us to the Boulder Museum of Contemporary Art. Have you ever immersed yourself in thought-provoking, cutting-edge artworks? BMOCA showcases a diverse range of contemporary art forms that challenge, inspire, and spark conversations. 9. Batasso Preserve. A nature escape for nature lovers, we venture to Batasso Preserve. Have you ever explored a serene forest with trails perfect for mountain biking and hiking? Batasso Preserve offers a peaceful escape just minutes from downtown Boulder. 10. Boulder's Craft Breweries. A toast to tradition. Finally, we raise a glass to Boulder's Craft Breweries. Have you ever sampled locally brewed beers in a community known for its love of craft brews? Boulder's breweries offer a taste of Colorado's beer culture, and each one has its unique charm. Boulder, Colorado is a place where the Rockies meet creativity, where outdoor enthusiasts and art aficionados coexist harmoniously. Whether you seek adventure in the mountains, inspiration in art, or simply a taste of the local culture, Boulder delivers. So join us as we continue to unveil the wonders and experiences that make Boulder, Colorado, a truly exceptional destination.